And all you need to do, you need to upload on my WeChat ID personal, as a personal, not a group. It's not like that, time's up and you send your file to the group so that everybody sees that and they try to copy it. No, you have to send that file in person on WeChat ID, or you can send me an email, right? For example, I would be giving you 40 minutes to send that file. That's it, this file. So you take that file with yourself, I don't care. All you need to do, take that file, MCQs and true false file to me on this time. If you are late, I won't accept that. And remember, 80% would be consisted of part 1. So remember, don't you dare to copy or take extra time, or lose the time to send me the file or whatsoever. Your internet is not working whatsoever, so I will receive the file within the time limit. That's it. If it's late, your part 1 is cancelled. So are we agree on that one? Because exam or a test day, plus I need to maintain equity and justice among the class so that the hardworking guy receive the marks according to his own effort. It's not like that somebody else come and copy and paste and that's it. So that's why I would be very strict regarding the timing of part 1. Part 2 is going to be short answers and graph. So graph that I gave you, those type of graph that I gave you the assignment as well, right? You need to find out increase in, what happened. If event happened, what would be, increase in supply or decrease in supply. So answer should be, you mention the graph and also write it down what happened at the end, price increase or quantity increase or decrease whatsoever. So this is how you answer the graph. I would be also giving you the solution that I want this kind of solution. Not you can just write it down and that's it, right? So if I give you the graph, so you need to apply those 3 principles, whether this belongs to demand or supply, direction, increase or decrease, and then find out new equilibrium. After finding new equilibrium, what happened? 4th step. What happened? Price increase, quantity increase, what happened there? So some students, they just find out the correct answer, okay, shifted to the right, but how I understand that price increase or decrease or quantity increase or decrease? You must write it down in a simple format, that price increase or quantity decrease or increase. So please go back to that assignment as well, solution file as well. So I also written down over there. This is how we make a graph and what happens if some event occurs, if it affects supply or if it affects demand, how is the direction, how we find out the new equilibrium. We also did the related exercises, so go back to our recordings as well, so you will find out plenty good concepts over there, right? Short questions gonna be like, if I give you the shortest questions, for example, uh, mm, what would be, just for example, define the MC. So it's not like that you define the MC in a half page. No, if you define the MC in 1 line, if I see that it's correct, I will give you full marks. So I am focusing on quality, not on quantity. The quality of words, not on quantity of words. It's not like that and also I would be giving you the lines, not more than 4 lines. So you need to finish your answer in these lines, right? So I want you guys to read all the chapters and then read the PPTs and then go for practice question. Those practice questions which we already discussed in our class. So if question comes and that is not related to our concept that we discussed in the class, please skip that one because there are 1,000 questions. So don't waste your time over there. Okay. And remember, I also won't be asking you the dates, okay, number of days, because I think so that's stupidity. I'm not testing your memory. I'm testing your concepts and application of those concepts. Right, guys? Plus, I also don't want to be testing the definition, because definition, You go to the Google, it's already there, right? So I won't be asking you define this, define that, define this one. I would be asking you concepts. So that's why we would be doing practical concept checkers, right? So in all these, practical concepts or concept checkers, I never ask about in any MCQs. I never ask about define this one or define that one, right? So that's why I gave you, the real taste of how I would be, checking your concept in midterm. Any question regarding the midterm? And remember, midterm is of 30% of overall evaluation, right? So don't worry if you couldn't do it properly, or if there you are sick or something, you still have other 70% to catch, right? Okay, so give your 100%, give your best shot, and you have my best wishes as well, right? If you have any question, you can ask. And remember, on exam day, we do have our assignment as well. Okay, we still have our assignment regarding cost of production. So please also submit that. I would suggest that submit before the exam so that you have ample time to study the exam concepts and all those stuff, right? So I already uploaded the practice questions, and I already uploaded the chapters and the PDFs as well, right? Okay, questions are welcomed regarding midterm. Please do ask if you have any question regarding midterm.
Do you know how much time do we have?
During this class, our midterm is going to be for 2 hours. So I just made a cushion of half an hour to upload the file. I'll give you the time to upload the file to me, download that, place your file to your folders. It's like that. So also I need to explain the instructions as well, right? So yeah, one rule that I must talk to you, it is about the camera. So you must turn on your camera during whole examination. Remember that one. And also turn on your mic as well. So right now, you mute your mic, I don't mind. But in exam, you are not allowed, you are not permitted to mute your volume as well. If somebody's having a pet and that is a noisy, or somebody is on the roadside, there's a lot of traffic, so you are allowed to mute your speaker. Remember, speaker, not the microphone, right? So I want to maintain equity and justice in the class so that those who are working hard, they would be rewarded. I know I cannot implement this 100%, but at least I could try to minimize the opportunity to cheat. So I hope you don't mind this one. Okay guys, are we clear, Piranan?
Yes, sir.
Mirko?
Yes, it's clear.
Amar?
Yes, it's clear.
PD? And Gustavo?
I have one question.
Sure.
So first we will solve the first part, we send it to you, and
Yes.
then you will send the second part.
Yes. I
Okay,
won't
okay.
give you part 1 and part 2 at once. No, I will give
Okay.
you part 1 first, and also I will be giving you its solution file as well, so that you don't waste time on making tables and all this stuff. I will give you. So you are allowed to edit the Word file, right? All you need to do in name column, in name row, you just write down your name and student ID, and that's it. And then start writing down the answer. That's it.
And the file is going to be on Blackboard
No,
or
on WeChat. I
okay.
would be making it very simple for you so that nothing is it's confusion. So all you need to do, focus on the exam. But in order to test your real knowledge, I will be giving you time that is very limited time, so that you just finish your own work, so that you are not able to help somebody else. So that would be part of from my side to restrict it But for part 1, for part 2, I will giving you more time to do that, right? Because part of 2 is just for 20%. Majority, I will be checking your concepts regard through MCQs and true false.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so I would be not accepting the apology of having, sir, my camera is broken, sir, my mic is is not working. It's like that. So you have plenty of options. You can just turn on you can install Chumu on your mobile phone, on your computer, right? Your camera must be on, your microphone must be on, right? Remember this one, so that I know that, okay, it's not about the WeChat is pumping, like, messages are coming, so I know that. And plus, it will be recorded as well. Plus, anytime the office can log in to our class and can see what's going on. And if you caught cheating and there's a sufficient proof, you will lose the whole marks of midterm, 30% gone, right? So that's the thing. I must, be very strict on that one, because the online classes are very easy, but it also helps potential for cheatings and all those stuff. So I don't want those hardworking students to be lagged behind from these cheatings or other opportunities. Okay, I hope you agree with me, right, Gustavo?
Yes.
Okay, any more question?
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, so I already uploaded all the material, right? If you miss something on WeChat, please go back to our Blackboard. The material is also available over there. So please don't send me the message that, sir, please upload that file, upload that PDF. Go to the Blackboard, it's already there. You can download over there. Or you can post in a group to ask some your classmates, please re-upload that file. Please don't tag me, because I already uploaded the files, and it's looked very unprofessional and very non-serious behavior from student side, because I uploaded it and you didn't download that. Understand? Okay. And during this 1 week, if you feel any difficulty regarding concept or any answer, please talk to the group and also tag me. I would be happy to answer to your queries and questions. Okay, I would be available. Okay. Okay, Piranan, Mirko, PD, Amar, Gustavo. Okay, good luck for your exam, and please stay safe during this week. You would be having a big day on our midterm. Okay, don't get sick, don't get be occupied with different stuff. Please free your mind, and you have my best wishes. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Okay, see you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.